I just saved $1,900 on my website, and I'm literally shaking right now. If you need a website, you need to click the link in the description below right now because Wix is offering 50% off all their premium plans for 2025, and this deal is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, let me break this down for you because I'm still processing how good this is. Wix is basically the #1 website builder on the planet. We're talking drag and drop, no coding required, and it comes with everything: hosting templates, e-commerce, the works. Here's where it gets crazy. Their business plan normally costs $36 a month, but with this 50% off deal, you're paying just $18. Their core plan drops from $29 to $14.50. Even their top-tier Business Elite plan goes from $159 down to $79.50. I mean, think about it. Most web developers charge $2,000 just to build you a basic site. With Wix, you get a professional website, unlimited hosting, your own domain. And you can update it yourself whenever you want. Plus, you can literally start for free and test everything out before you commit to anything. It's like having a safety net made of rainbows and unicorns. Look, I don't know how long this 50% off deal is going to last, but if you've been putting off getting a website because of the cost, this is your moment. Click that link in the description below and thank me later.